What else you want to do on your Sunday Legends? Rained out with. Marco, what happened to the old girl? Start the YouTube channel. Here we go. Fully thick exhaust pipe. So we're doing a bit of work on the adrenaline pink beast. Let's get the water thing out, pulling the exhaust off, or the distractors off, sorry. Plugs are coming out, leads are coming off, gears getting moved. It's all happening. So we're going from up there, it's going to be filming, so we'll do a time-lapse video for you guys once it's all finished. Yeah, just a progress anyway, not finished, but yeah, progress, what we're doing. Got this thing out here idling away. Just giving it a run, she's a bit missing a bit at the moment, needs a good rest. What in God's name is this? It's after rally. We've got a broken out. The hole there. I don't know where the battling was coming from. It's come off today. Things are coming out. Absolutely perished it. Must have hit on there when I was doing a skid. She's dirty under here. Filthy.
Take me for a ride. I know you've been waiting. Let's drive to the West Coast, Hollywood and LA.
Probably a good thing we're moving this computer because it's actually melted. All the covering that's melted, see how hot it's got. Just have a bit of fire under it. A couple of skids, but yeah, you can see how melted all this. Yours aren't too bad, I should be alright. Need some heat, that's for sure.
We'll never make it to the coast, but I could die happy here, strapped to your Yoshima ride. Oh, down the West Coast, through New Mexico, Nevada. Oh, down the West Coast, Colorado, California. Ooh, down the West Coast, yeah.
Good hour and a half, and first process done. Time for the next one. Just gonna do one side at a time. Can't wait. I'm gonna do a startup. Hopefully, don't blow myself up. I'll probably blow a few flames. We'll see how it goes. Hope that gets it. Alright, we'll see him in a little bit. Alright, we'll see how that goes. Next part, what do you reckon, guys? What are we going to do? Easy little change this one, but this side's going to be very fun.